What is your name? My name is John. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Where are you from? I am from India. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. Are you free now? Yes, I am free now. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Are you sad? No, I am not sad. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. What time is it? It is 8. What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a chair. Who is he? He is my friend. Who is she? She is my sister. Where do you live? I live in the city. Do you like your city? Yes, I like my city. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. Do you like reading? Yes, I like reading. Do you like writing? Yes, I like writing. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. What music do you like? I like soft music. Do you like singing? Yes, I like singing. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. Do you like sports? Yes, I like sports. What sport do you like? I like football. Do you like traveling? Yes, I like traveling. Do you like movies? Yes, I like movies. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. What do you watch? I watch news. Do you have a family? Yes, I have a family. Who is in your family? My parents and me. Do you have brothers? Yes, I have one brother. Do you have sisters? Yes, I have one sister. Do you have friends? Yes, I have friends. is your best friend? My best friend is Ali. Do you like school? Yes, I like school. Do you study daily? Yes, I study daily. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English a little. Do you want to learn more? Yes, I want to learn more. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. Do you like fruits? Yes, I like fruits. Do you like vegetables? Yes, I like vegetables. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. Are you sleepy? Yes, I am sleepy. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Is it morning? Yes, it is morning. Is it evening? Yes, it is evening. What day is today? Today is Monday. What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. What is today's date? Today is 10th. What month is it? It is March. What season is it? It is summer. How is the weather? The weather is good. Is it hot today? Yes, it is hot. Is it cold today? Yes, it is cold. Do you work? Yes, I work. Where do you work? I work in an office. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. Do you work hard? Yes, I work hard. Do you wake up early? Yes, I wake up early. Do you sleep late? No, I do not sleep late. Do you cook food? Yes, I cook food. Can you cook rice? Yes, I can cook rice. Do you like cooking? Yes, I like cooking.